Oh, hello to everybody who's watching the stream. I just finished sending around the, not invitations, but you know, whatever they're called. Sending around the links, you know, and stuff, posting links to places so that, you know, yeah, people know about the gem. Today I'm working on my entry for the third Wowiejam, and so far I have the main mechanic down. What is left is polish, which I'll be doing tomorrow probably, and right now I'm gonna be working on level building. So, oh yeah, I gotta write this little thing here in the code to start actually, so that I can go to the next scene. Now let's actually create said scene. Which has to be rather easy because I have templates ready. Scene 2. Alright, so we have two templates, a horizontal template and a vertical one. Let's start with let's make a couple more horizontals, I think. But on the other hand, the vertical one is pretty good for getting the player to familiar with one of the mechanics in the game. Okay, let's all of this needs to I forgot for a hot second here how to I was just doing this like a second ago. Hang on, I just did this today. This is so dumb of me. I am dumb. So my problem is I can't drag and drop the template for some reason. Not like that. Yes, like that. There we go. Alright, that was a minor setback, but that's fine. Next, let's put our player inside. And let's start by switching to that scene. Something ain't right. Oh. this. Well, this is a bug. That's fine. This is a mainly playtesting stream anyways. It's fine if it has a little bit of coding here and there. Oh. Well, this is strange. Okay, let's try to fix that. So my problem right now is that for some reason the game refuses to switch scenes. Let's try. What if I do scene 2 TSCN? And of course, let's write scenes right here. Yeah. Does the job this way. Huh. So this is the output of this. And this is what we had written when it worked. They are literally identical. I don't understand what the problem is. Let's try it again and see if it gives out any errors. Admittedly, I forgot to check that. Oh, now it works for some very confusing reason. It refuses to jump here though. Okay. Oh, I know why it refuses to jump, because I need to set this variable over here. Alright, let's try now. Yeah, I can jump. Alright, so that's figured out. Okay, that was a minor setback. Let's get back to making the actual level. Color. Let's start here with the color black again. Is the player modulate? Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's put on spikes right in here. We need horizontal spikes like this. And let's make it so that the player let's make a small ledge here to make the player familiar with the game mechanics. So the point is that the harder you jump here, right over here, the further you jump from, oops, that was not supposed to happen. Oh, I think I forgot to give the tile sets a collision. And I think the white ones need one too, and then they'll be fixed. Let's check if this one has collision. Yep, it does. That's it. That's perfect. Quite a few glitches here and there. Gladly sold them. Oh. Oh no. I forget to set up the code for this thing. For the vertical template? Yeah, vertical template. I think it's inside the player where we said if the game is vertical. Yep, sadly it is. And I have to check it for every level instead of inside the template of the horizontal levels, but that's gonna be fine. That's fine though, it just requires a small lane here. Color 0, so it's black. Position X. Position X minus X black plus X white. I don't have those defined yet, so the engine is gonna complain for a bit. Minus X white. So X black and X white are these right over here. This position, the max X position for this. Let's make it 511. X white var X black var X white. Where did I have that scene? Right here. Alright, let's put this over here and get the 1022. Nice. There we go. Should work now. But and let's run the second scene right away. Let's see. Yep, now it works. Anyway, so when you jump from this ledge, there's less speed than when you jump from like higher up. Oh, the computer is running out of power. There we go. Now it's good. Alright, that's handled. Okay, now so we have that, although kind of defeats the purpose because I can jump pretty high up, and so even if I like, oops, even if I like come off this edge, I can still jump high up. Oh, I guess if I make it like way up there, then it does serve a purpose. So like, and I guess I have to make the player much smaller and have much less of a jump power so that it can gain momentum. Yep, this is much more like it. Since we have a double jump, this makes much more sense. And let's make it so that we can jump during switching up the positions like this. Not the positions, but like switching between the black and white. So what I'm gonna do is can jump equals can jump start. I think this should do the trick. Yep, this definitely does the trick. And so we can now build up momentum in between the jumps. Let's check if the first level still looks good in this arrangement. Whoop. Yep. Yeah, it's fine. It's pretty okay. Okay, now I'm going to make... Where's the fucking level? There it is. Let's have 2 coins, I guess. Coins needed. Scene index is 2. And we have 2 coins to collect, and therefore let's make the said coins. Let's make one over here and one over here. Over here. And so now let's insert the coins. 1 coin over there and the other coin right here. Oops, no. Right like this. Because it was the child of the other coin. Okay, let's see how that... Nope. I need to run this scene immediately. Let's see how this works out for us. Ooh, almost. 1, 2, no! There we go. 1 coin done. Now let's get the other one, and there we go. Now we're ready for the third one. I think the game is already looking pretty good. Alright, let's get to the next scene. Also, hello to the people watching me. I can see the viewer count is up. How are you today? Alright, scene number 3. Okay, should I make it? I think I should. Should I experiment a bit with the concept of vertical scenes, I think, maybe before I get to the horizontal ones? No, I mean the other way around. First, or maybe even I should ditch the thought of horizontal scenes altogether, because I kind of really like how these vertical ones are doing. Like, I like their setup way more as of now. They're just so much more fun to play. The horizontal ones, the horizontal ones are way more awkward and weird. I might just ditch them completely. Let's get rid of this. I can still make them, by the way. I'm not completely removing them from the game because here we have a template still. I'm just, you know, scene 1 to scene. There we go. Now it's the the second scene is the first scene. Hello. What's the theme of the jam? The theme is failure is progress. Hello to you too. I'm kind of nervous, so I forgot to say hello. Sorry. And I'm making a game where basically you die over here on this side, and then you get resurrected on the other side, then you die on this side, and the point of each level is to collect the gold coins. Maybe not completely remove the... Is this too hard for the first level? Maybe it is. Failure is progress, so basically life. Oh yeah, maybe I should have made The Sims 4. Or The Sims 5 would have done that better than EA anyways. Am I right? Okay. Is this too hard of a concept for scene 1? Maybe it is. Introducing both the main mechanic, you know, and the... Introduction to both the main mechanic and the derivative of a main mechanic is kind of hard for the first level, so... I still want the second level to be like this, but I want the first level to be something... Did I? Scene 1. Okay, scene 1 is this. Let's rename this into scene 2. And then create a new scene for scene 1. This is scene Dex 2. Template vertical, yeah. Is anybody else from Jonas's server? What are y'all working on? Alright, so this is the second scene. You'd think kind of backwards that you made the second scene first, but listen. I was going for something else at first. There we go, there's the player. I'm gonna color him black anyways because he always starts out black because of how the scenes are played out. Project settings, and let's run scene number 1. What is everybody else making with this gem? That is not good. Let's make this false by default. Cancel. And there we go. Let's make our player here. Did not know that Jonas was hosting this gem. Interesting. You can still join, by the way. There's like, how much is there left actually? Let me check. There is still, wait, Wowiejam on itch.io. Yeah, if you want to join, there's basically a whole game jam time because there's 24 plus 40, 45 hours, which is like, this jam was 72 hours initially, so you'll be at a disadvantage, but usually game jams are 48 hours, so it's not that bad. If you really want to join, you can still do that. Okay, so scene 1, we should put the scene index in. And this thing. Okay, coin goes here. Boop. That takes us to level 2. Now we need level 3 so that the end of level 2 can take us to level 3. New scene and code template right here. Huh, okay. And this is the scene 3. I don't fucking know. Pop stuff here, stuff there. Okay, no. Where do we start and what will the challenge be? Okay, I think since I've introduced the player to the mechanic 2 times in a row, maybe this should actually be like way behind, like the fact that the faster you go at, not way behind, but way in the future, that the faster you go, the higher you'll go. Okay, scene 3, or maybe not, I don't know. Oh, how about we start at the bottom? Right here. And then we have to work our way up. Wait, no, not like this. Oh, this is gonna be so interesting. You'll see in a bit. I wonder if it'll take me all the way across. Oh, and I was gonna add a little bit of code there. If this is vertical, direction and velocity y equals minus jump power. There we go. This could go either horribly right or horribly wrong, and I am about to find out, I guess. Is this? Oh, that is very cursed because the spikes are tilted. This spike ends a little sooner than this one starts, and you know, they're a little off. But I'm not planning to fix that. That can stay, I don't care. It's a feature now. Oh, this is... Okay, this is interesting. Let's now put in the coin collecting too. This will create kind of a challenge because you have to maneuver around these things as well. Boop. Oops. Number 2. And there we are. Oh no. By the way, a design strategy that I'm using in this game, I'm gonna show you guys, but don't tell anybody, it's a secret, is instead of having like collision around this player tightly, you can't really see right now because there's a modulate on the player, but instead of having, this is an area to do, don't mind that, this is the player's collision, and instead of having the collision like this, not like that, like this, tightly around the player, I have it a bit to the side to give the player some extra time to cling onto a platform before they will fall off. I will now show you what I mean. Like, up to this point and even a little bit after. Well, that wasn't a very good example. Maybe I should make this thing a little wider. Yeah, now I think in the area needs to be even wider than that. Now the player will have a little more time before they fall off the platform. You see? Yeah. I think this is maybe a bit too hard for somebody who's just playing this game, but I don't know, I'll see, I guess. Wait, no. This that happened because it sent us from scene 3 to scene 1, and that is because our scene index isn't defined. This is scene 3, I guess. Yep, this is scene 3. It does look kinda empty, but that's fine. I don't care. Oop, there we go. Now we need scene 4. I think I'll make like I don't know how many of these I'll make. Okay, no, I think this should be like scene 5 maybe. I don't think that introducing wall spikes is a smart idea yet, so let's make the index 5. And maybe also add some more coins so that this feels a little harder, and the fact that it's a scene way later in the game shows a bit. Yeah, let's make this. Oh, and like this maybe. I guess I am kind of working on this backwards, but listen, there's so much potential to the mechanic, and I really want to just show everybody all of it, but I gotta take into the consideration that the people playing this game with... Oh, I need to set the coin index as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins for level 5, nice. Anyways, there we go. Coin. 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 Nice. Can I do it without transferring between scenes all the time? I cannot. That is very nice. That means the mechanic is very much a working mechanic, and it's not just, you know, an excuse to have a mechanic for the sake of a mechanic. This one is easy to get from here, which I do not want. I want the player to switch in between this and this all the time, so I'll make sure that the player is required to do so. Nope. And the player can do that as well, which again, I do not like. Okay, the player can definitely get from the top one to the bottom ones. That is not a surprise to anybody, can it? Yep, it also can get from the bottom to the top, and that is not good for me. I fixed the black part, now let me fix the white part. Hello to everybody who's joined since, you know, I started. How is everybody, and who else is from Jonas's server? Who else is working on this gem, basically? Oop. Ah! Oh no! I have to start over. Okay, I can get here. That is, I think, rather fine, question mark. Let's put them in order. 2, 3, 4. Okay, which one is 5th? Oh, that is so confusing. Let's put these two together because they're on the same side. Okay, coin 2. I want coin 2 to be a little higher up. Like that. Nice, nice. Woo! Make it, please. Yes, nice. Good. Okay, this is level 5, don't worry. I'm not actually gonna make this the 3rd level. I think what I want to do next is, I have no idea what I want to do next. I want something, you know, in between to make the curve a little less extreme. I don't want to introduce something new in every scene. So how about scene 3? Okay, scene 3. I want to make scene 3 using just the dynamics that are established in scenes 1 and 2. So that is the, you know, the main mechanic, the fact that we go from one side to the other when we die, and also the fact that the higher you fall from, the harder you will fly. I also don't want to soft lock the player, so, you know, I don't want there to be a reload button. I want the player to be able to finish the level and redo stuff whatever happens. No, don't run this. So that is something to take in account. Although maybe I will have to do a reload button. Let's run level 3 now. Okay. I don't know why I playtested this. That made no sense absolutely whatsoever. Okay, white spike over here so that the player can switch right back. Can I go up? The player can't reach this third one. That is okay. We can just put it one lower. Oh, and I am gonna need a black platform over here with a coin, and let's put some more coins in here. Here. Why not? And here. Coins needed is gonna be scene index is 3 and coins needed is also 3. Boop, there we go. And the game doesn't need a reload screen. Reload button or whatever. Wait, I just got right. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, this is looking very good so far. Oh my god, that would be so cool if I... Yeah, whatever. Hang on, what I'm curious about is... I didn't make this for horizontal spikes. Right, Velocity y equals jump power. It should be, by all means, working in another way. But, I mean, very strange. Like, this spike shouldn't be working like this, like those spikes are. That is only for vertical spikes, 'cause the fact that you go back up the same way that you came in, like that your vertical speed turns into your horizontal speed. This spike is working like... Yeah, this spike is working super not how it's supposed to. Touch spikes. And which is weird because this very same spike works fine in this scene. Right, which scene was it? I think it was scene 3. This one over here. Collision. Oh. Huh. This is strange because it was working just okay in the other level. Like exactly how it was supposed to, and now here it's not set where it is supposed to be set for some reason. Let's set them back to vertical spikes. Why did it work in the other scene though? That is my question. Oh no. The idea is that the spike turns your velocity back around. Yeah, I guess now it is working. The other time it was giving me a delusion, whatever, of working like it should, but now it is actually working like it should. But anyways, let's get back to our actually that scene is way too early for scene 5. I think it needs to be like scene 7. Maybe I should make like 10 scenes total. That's what I'm thinking at least. Oh no. There we go. Okay, let's make this into, let's make scene 5 into scene 7. Seven is a weird number to introduce. I should have said 7 is an odd number to introduce a new gaming mechanic. You know what I mean? Okay, whatever. Scene 4. Scene 4, we've got scene 4. I've been streaming for about an hour. That's nice. Okay, so what I'm thinking about doing with scene 4. Again, using only the mechanics from previous scenes. Scene 5, I think, is gonna be when I introduce these thingies for the first time. The vertical spikes. Okay, vertical spikes. I mean, there is a vertical spike in here, but it does not serve the same purpose. Okay. Oh, you know what I haven't thought about? Horizontal spikes, but like upwards. You know, like spikes on the ceiling? I really haven't thought about that, have I? Why not think about it right now? Up and down and just rotate it by 180, and then call it a day. 180. There we go. Scene 4. We're on scene 4, right? Let's make those. Let's make those spikes. Oh, well, not like that. Maybe not. Maybe not right now. Maybe a new mechanic isn't a very good idea right now. Okay, what can be done with the existing mechanics? How can we expand on this? Oh, by making a ladder, perhaps. Like Cover up the ugly. Wrong thing. Project settings, run, let's run our 4th level. Pretty nice. Oops. That's an oops. Oh, there we go. Damn it. Ah. Oh, this is hard. No. Stop. Okay, let's move it to the side a little bit. I think that'll make it a little easier. Like this. Let's now put in the coins. So first one here, second one here, third one here, fourth one here maybe. No, wait, this coin needs to be like over here. This spike is somewhere here, so this thing needs to be over here. Okay, where's the spikes? Let's see how this works, and then to make sure that we don't get thrown to the next level. Yeah, this, oh no. This works pretty nicely though. I jinxed it. But I mean, worked out fine. More or less. This is right here somewhere. And the final coin, let's put it somewhere in here. There we go. I think it works out pretty nicely. Six coins for level 4. Okay. The chat is kind of quiet. What is everybody up to? Okay, I think that marks the end of level 4, was it? Level 4 is done. What was level 7 like? Yeah. I need to properly introduce... Level 5 is coming next. I think I'll properly introduce the vertical spikes for level 5. Scene 5. But Tam, you ask me, why is every level indexing and basically stuff that needs to go to the game controller stuff inside one singular game script that you have to use for anything? And the reason is I panicked for this game jam because I had to finish everything fast. So, you know, that's what y'all are gonna deal with. Okay, let's see. Maybe like this. Do you think this would be good introduction to spikes? To like side spikes, I mean. Coins. Where's my coins? Where's my coins? Coin, there's one coin. There's another coin. Coin number 3. Coin number... Okay, save going here. 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 Okay, let's try this configuration. I didn't put any thought into it, but, or at least not much thought, but I'll figure it out. That is my game design principle. Fool around and find out. Wait, I mean, yeah, kind of technically. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 coins. That's a lot of coins. Oh no. Wrong level. There we go. Now that's the correct one. Oops. Oh no. There's a glitch. That is fine. Nice glitch over there. Let me fix that real quick. No. Okay, fine. Move direction. There we go. Oops. Move direction X. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good at all. Nice. I think this actually makes it worse. Arguably. Yeah, that is not good. Okay, I'll need to fix that, and I know exactly how to. But right now, my phone is running out of battery, and I've been streaming for a while too. I think I'll have to handle that tomorrow. Thanks for everybody for participating. I'm going to continue working on, the main game that I've been working on as soon as I finish this game jam, and obviously I'll make a devlog about this game too. The day after tomorrow, I'm gonna post it once it's gonna be finished. But yeah, thank you all for visiting my stream. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the games that I make. I think it's the most reliable way for me to tell how much audience I have, and also the most reliable way to, not lose me into oblivion. You can follow me on other social media if you'd like. There's my Twitter, there's my Game Jolt, it's in the bio, this stream. So yeah, thanks to everybody for participating and helping me grow my YouTube channel. But that's all for today. Bye.